In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stocks to your items in Zoho. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly update inventory quantities for any item in your account. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho inventory account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, we want to access the list of products and services you've already created. To do that, look over to the main navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side of your screen, and click on the section labeled Items. This is where Zoho stores all the items you sell or track, along with their stock details. Once you've clicked into items, you'll see a table or list of all your active items. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific product. This list may include columns like item name, SKU, rate or marks, and current stock, which gives you a quick overview of your inventory status. Now, choose the item you want to update. Click directly on the item name to open its detailed view. This page shows more information about that particular item, such as descriptions, pricing, tax preferences, and most importantly, its stock tracking details. Taking a moment to review this information is helpful so you're sure you're editing the right product, especially if you have similar item names or variants. To add or adjust the stock for this item, we need to switch it into edit mode. Look for the edit button, usually located near the top of the item's detail page. Go ahead and click on edit. Once you're in the edit screen, you'll be able to change fields related to the item, including the stock or quantity on hand, depending on how your Zoho inventory is configured. From here, you would typically scroll down to the inventory or stock section and enter the correct quantity, making sure it reflects the real count in your warehouse or store. Be careful when modifying stock numbers, as these changes can affect your sales, purchase planning, and reports. If possible, double check your physical count or your source document before saving. When you're done updating, review your changes and then save the item. That's all you need to do to add or adjust stocks for an item in Zoho. With this simple process, keeping your inventory accurate becomes much easier and more reliable.